Excessive dust buildup on your floors can totally wreck the finish and make your whole place look dull and grubby. So, you want to keep that floor finish looking fresh, right? First off, clean often but gently, like sweep or vacuum every couple of days to stop dust from piling up. When you mop, use a damp mop, not a soaking wet one, because too much water can mess with the finish. Also, pick cleaning products that say they are safe for your type of floor finish. Some chemicals can strip it away. Put down mats at all entrances to catch dirt before it hits your floor, and encourage everyone to take their shoes off inside. If you notice dust settling fast, check your air filters and change them regularly. Better air quality means less dust. You can also use microfiber cloths or dust mops because they trap dust better than regular brooms. Lastly, avoid using harsh scrubbing tools that can scratch the floor, finish, and instead go for soft brushes or cloths. One of the biggest mistakes people make with floor finish maintenance is using harsh cleaners or bleach that eats away the protective layer. Just don't do that. Another common issue is letting water sit on the floor for too long after mopping, which can cause warping or dullness. Always wring out your mop well and dry the floor quickly. Lastly, ignoring dust buildup is huge because it acts like sandpaper underfoot and slowly scratches the finish. Stay consistent with regular cleaning and air filter changes to keep it in check. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find local pros who really know how to protect and maintain their floors without hassle. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work from people who need trusted help with home projects just like this.